Once overpopulated ise tüm Daniel olmazsa
président de la République du Congo m'accrédite auprès de vous en qualité d'ambassadeur extraordinaire.
My letters of credence by virtue of which by virtue of which the President of the European Council and the President of the European Commission accredit me as ambassador.
I have the great honor to present Your Excellency my letter of credence by virtue of the President of Hungary.
President, I have the honor to present to Your Excellency my letters of credence by which my President, His Excellency Mr. Nikos Anastasiadis, is appointing me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Cyprus to Mongolia.
Hans Hoge Doorn, heeft gezegd dat hij was 50 stopt.